How to deactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can deactivate your Facebook account. So then, to begin with, update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update it. After you're done updating, launch your Facebook account and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is basically how it's gonna look like. So now, to deactivate your account, tap on the tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. After that, head over to the gear icon from the top right once again. While you're on this page, you can see Account Center right on top. Under it, you need to tap on See More in Account Center, which you can see it in a blue field. After you tap on See More in Account Center, it's going to direct you to the info page once again. Right on this page, head over to Account Settings section and tap on Personal Details. After you tap on Personal Details, under it you can see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. Here you'll be able to see two different options, that is memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So tap on deactivation or deletion, select the account that you wish to deactivate, and here you'll need to select whether you want to actually delete your account or deactivate your account. So select either one of it and click on the continue button. Once you've done that, for the confirmation of your identification, you'll need to type in the password associated with your Facebook account. Once you're done entering the password, click on continue. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll have successfully deactivated your account. But make sure to log in within 30 days, otherwise your account's gonna be deleted permanently after 30 days. So in this way, you can deactivate your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.